AI agents are transforming side hustles, and people are making over $7,000 a month using them. Today, I'll show you how to build one for free using BlackBox AI, the #1 ranked AI agent. I'll also show you how to claim $500 in AI credits to get started. Let's dive in. BlackBox AI is a game changer for developers, creators, and entrepreneurs. It can take an image or screenshot and instantly generate app ideas and functional concepts, turning a simple sketch into a working product in minutes. Beyond that, it automates coding, debugging, and workflow optimization, ranking #1 on the verified SWE bench, ahead of tech giants like Google and IBM. You don't need to be a coding expert. Here's how to build your AI agent with BlackBox AI. Choose a goal: app development, debugging, or workflow automation. Input project details, describe what you need, and let AI handle the rest. Automate and generate. Watch BlackBox AI generate code and optimize solutions. Test and deploy. Make final adjustments and launch your AI-powered tool. AI automation is now accessible to anyone, from beginners to experts. Here are 5 proven ways to turn AI into a profitable side hustle. Freelance AI services. Offer AI-powered coding solutions on Upwork and Fiverr. Build and sell SaaS apps, create automation tools, and sell them as subscriptions. Create tutorials, courses, teach AI skills, and sell digital products. Offer AI workshops. Businesses pay for AI automation training. Automate enterprise processes. Help companies streamline workflows. These strategies allow you to generate income while AI does the heavy lifting. Blackbox AI isn't just for developers. It also automates social media management, auto-generate posts for any niche, create viral captions instantly, analyze engagement data for growth. AI automation saves time and boosts results. Want $500 in free AI credits? If you're an open source developer, Blackbox AI is offering free access to get you started. DM at AIBlockBX on Twitter to claim your credits today. AI is changing everything, and now is the best time to get involved. Whether you want to build AI-powered apps, automate workflows, or start a high-income side hustle, BlackBox AI has the tools to make it happen. Are you ready to build your AI agent? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI business insights. See you in the next one.